Hi, I'm Peter Llewellyn with CreativeOnlineSchool.com. In this session, I will be explaining how to use the Hue Saturation menu in Photoshop. Step 1. Open Photoshop if you haven't already. Now, locate the image you'd like to alter. Step 2. Navigate to the far right of your screen and select the Adjustments tab. Step 3. Now select Hue/Saturation. Step 4. This will bring up a Hue Saturation menu. Step 5. You can adjust saturation by moving the sliders left and right. Step 6. All done. We now have a finished image.